Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have a Google Pixel Watch 5, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. And factory reset could be useful if you want to pair your watch with another device, you want to sell it, give it away. You could also try to use it as a fix on your watch, but that's like a last resort option, because if you factory reset your watch, it will remove your data and settings from your watch, so be aware of that. Okay, so let's continue. And first thing I recommend to check is the battery life. Make sure it's above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch, so be aware of that. Next, we can continue with our reset, so press the crown button to open the menu, then scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, you need to find the option called the system, I believe, yeah, and tap on it, and here we need to find the option called disconnect and reset, and here we have it. Tap on it, then tap on the check mark to confirm, and just wait until the resetting process is complete. This might take a while. Okay, and once you see this animation on the screen, it means that the reset is complete, and that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.